Time travel, is it science fiction, or could it actually happen? Let's dive into this fascinating idea. First, what even is time travel? It's the concept of hopping to the future or past, maybe zooming ahead to 2050 to see if robots have finally taken over, or going back to the 90s to stop yourself from getting that one bad haircut. Believe it or not, scientists have been seriously pondering this for years. Enter Albert Einstein, who basically told us that time isn't like a ruler, it's more like a stretchy rubber band. His theory of relativity suggests time slows down or speeds up depending on how fast you're moving. That means traveling forward in time is technically possible, and astronauts on the International Space Station are already experiencing it, aging just a tiny bit slower than we are on Earth. Boring, sure, but it's a start. Now, let's talk about wormholes. Imagine space-time as a giant sheet of paper. If you fold it in half and poke a hole through it, that shortcut is what scientists call a wormhole, theoretically allowing you to jump through time. Sounds cool, right? But knowing my luck, I'd probably end up in 14th century England during plague season. However, the real brain twister is going backward in time. That's where paradoxes kick in. Like the grandfather paradox, what happens if you accidentally prevent your grandparents from meeting? Poof. You'd never exist. Or imagine going back to tell your younger self about Bitcoin. Past you gets rich, and present you is still broke. Talk about unfair. So, is time travel possible? Science says, kind of. Traveling forward is easier to imagine, and wormholes might hold the key to going backward. For now, though, the closest we've got is rewatching old movies and calling it mental time travel. But here's the fun part. The fact that time travel is even a scientific conversation is incredible. It shows how far we've come in understanding the universe. So, I'll leave you with this. If time travel became possible tomorrow, where, or when, would you go? Let me know, and as always, stay curious.